Are you there? Maria,
There.
can you see me?
Yeah.
Maria, you're upside down. Let's do this scale here. Let's just go back down. Watch your pitch as you're going up. Hear me, hear me, hear me. Watch my mouth. So, your turn, Maria.
So.
Excellent. Good, 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 good. Let's go a little bit quiet on the last note. Hear me. So, your turn, Maria.
So.
Keep your mouth oval. Hit those right notes. Hear me. So, your turn.
So.
It's better. Watch that top note. So, your turn, Maria.
So.
We're going to go solo by yourself. Maria.
So.
2 more.
So.
1 more.
So.
We get higher on that top note, Maria. Try it again.
So.
Better. Okay, I'm going to run this one off for you, okay? And I'll send it to your mum's email address, okay? So let me record.
Don't go on my grandma's phone again.
Let me record this off for you, okay? Okay.
Do I have to sing in it?
No. We've got to be quiet here. This is just me, okay? This is just me. Shh, shh, okay? Let me record it for you. I'll send it to you.